Sometimes you have to leave the beaten track to find the best solution. In our very first year of operations in 1979, we developed the patented JetWave, as revolutionary for the industry then as it is now, and still in use today at the core of our current soldering system. The Modular Wave, the utterly unique modular and universal system with horizontal transport, meeting every contemporary requirement for a high-quality THT soldering process. The Modular Wave brings a host of benefits in terms of process integration and economy. With all modules arranged horizontally, the system can be seamlessly integrated into your established workflows. The Modular Wave can flexibly adapt to fulfill your requirements. Process speed can be set separately for each module via an individually programmable drive. Whenever you need to respond quickly to a whole new set of specifications, it's simple to extend the Modular Wave with further optional modules. You can even work with two different alloys in one system simultaneously. The system's electromagnetic drive principle generates a very fast-moving dynamic hollow wave up to 55 millimeters high. The Modular Wave offers an energy-efficient, cost-effective solution. It requires only a very small amount of solder in the solder bath, meaning you can achieve considerable savings on the initial filling. Discover pioneering solutions for THT soldering processes. Kirsten Soldering, driven by innovation.